Hello friends, this is Samrat. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is iTech Venture Solution. As you all know that I have started a YouTube video tutorial series for those who are beginners in the process of being YouTuber. So if you are in the process of being a YouTuber or you already have started your channel but don't know how to get going, then this YouTube tutorial series is definitely for you guys. So friends, we're gonna learn today how to create a logo or icon. Okay, well, we go to canva.com to create a logo, and then you can see in recommended, go to logo, click on that logo, direct you to the editing page. Now you can see there are available logos right now. You can select any of it and create your own logo as per your requirement. You can choose any of the design and create any of the logo. I'll take this one. I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. I want this, so I'll make it big. And what else? I will use this one. Copy this, undo this, and paste it here. Oh, sorry. Click on add new page, add this page. Now what we can do, we just need this one, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Got it? Now we can change it to alright. And you can arrange this to center, okay. So this will be our logo. Now it seems to be very easy. You can resize your logo name and make it, because when it comes to on your channel it will be like very small one. So now if you want to add some photos from your available, you can add from this. You can available, you can add photos as well, add elements. Add one element, so searching here, element, we are searching for element. Okay, let's try this one, how it will look on our icon. How's it? How do you think, guys? It looks good? I think it looks good. Okay. Plus you can add text as per your requirement. You can add videos, you can change background. Okay. We'll try to change this background. And background change. See how. But while you change the background, everything is changed. Next background, now not able to see our whole. This one is good, but this one is not. You can change the color as well. This if you want, like this one. add any of color, add any black, and I think this one is very nice, and I'll make this one this one not this one. Okay, I will change this one. Okay. This white one now selected. What we can do, which color? Make it red. Let's see how it looks. White is good. Undo. Okay, this is center press. But we need to change the background. Background is very it's a nice one. Let's try this one. Yes, we want this one. The more big size, the more. Alright, now download this file. You can choose PNG, maximum size. You can use transparent background if you have, or just less. So I am using the trial version of this for 30 days, and I have purchased it, but I can download it now. The file is downloading. Okay, the file is, save the file. Okay, now this file we don't need. You can download again because it was saved with that file. We have saved this one, and we will save as it is without background because we need different kind of things. Okay, now we go to YouTube and whatever channel we change, we want to change the icon of our channel bachelor sound. Okay, now once it's open, go to studio. You can change from here as well. Customize channel. And click on icon. Click on edit. Okay, now change picture. I already have many pictures on the select from computer, then select the file. Okay, file will be uploading one file. Let's won't take that much. Internet is quite slow today. Alright, here we go. See, our file is there. We can size it. Set profile. Alright, it's been changed now.
profile picture has been changed. Now we can close this, just refresh it. Yes, we have successfully changed our icon. Alright guys, thank you very much for today. See you next episode with something informative.
Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't so far. Share this video link with those who need this useful information, and please don't forget to click on bell icon to get updates from my channel. I also welcome your suggestions, observations and comments on this video. Please put your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much for patiently watching this video. See you soon with another useful information and practical based YouTube tutorial video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Sayonara.